In this video, I'll show you how to create a cutout sticker from your existing Instagram post. So cutout sticker is a new feature on your Instagram app where you can basically isolate a subject from a photo. So for example here, if you have an image, you can select a certain part of the image in order to create a sticker. Here Instagram allows us to do this on your existing Instagram post. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first make sure your Instagram app has been updated to the latest version. Search for Instagram on your app store and make sure it's been updated to the latest version. Now you want to go ahead and open the app. Here you want to go ahead and visit your profile page at the bottom right. Now you want to go ahead and select an Instagram post where you want to create a cutout sticker. Now to create a cutout sticker, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right. And now here you want to tap on Create a cutout sticker. Now this will analyze the photo and we'll see what can be cut out. So here it's analyzed this part of the photo which can be used as a cutout sticker. However, I want two of these mobile phones, so I'll go ahead and see if I can select manually. So here I've selected it manually. So as you can see, I've selected a part of my sticker here. Now I'll tap on Save Sticker at the bottom right, and this will now save it into my sticker gallery. So to use this sticker in the future, you can do it by posting a story or a reel. Now take a picture or upload a photo, go here to your sticker feature, and now you'll see your sticker appear here. So go ahead and tap on that, and as you can see, your sticker has appeared here for you to use in your story or reels. So there you go, that is how to create cutout stickers from your existing post. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.